Yes, very good morning to everyone. I'm audible.
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Good
I'm
morning,
audible,
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now we can start. Okay, so today we'll discuss another sorting algorithm. There's the last algorithm for according to your syllabus. So, so this is a counting sort, and counting sort is not a comparison sort. Because till now, what is the that means what are sorting? I think 4, 5 sorting we already discussed. So all the sorting algorithms are comparison sort, but counting sort is not a comparison sort, and it gives on complexity for sorting. Time complexity is on. So counting sort, a sorting technique based on keys between a specific range, and it works by counting the number of objects having distinct key values, kind of hashing, then doing something arithmetic to calculate the position of each object in the output sequence. So let us understand it with the help of an example. Okay, so we'll take one example and one by one I will explain step by step. Okay, first of all we'll take one example. Okay, suppose one array is A, and we have an array of size 15 element, and which contain the values in range 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and suppose that means here n equals to 15. So we'll take the values 5, so 5, 9, 4, 5, 3, 6, 8, 5, 4, 8. So here that means values in the range of 0 to 9. Okay, so 4, 8, so 15. 15 means, let's see, 8, 7, 4, 6, 9, 7. 9, last
हेलो
9.
सर,
Yes, 9, 7.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा आपका।
आवाज आएगा, अभी तो एंट्री कर रहे हैं ना. Now it is audible.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
सुनाई दे रहा है? अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? अभी सुनाई दे रहा है ना?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
ओके ओके, जस्ट अभी एंट्री कर लेते हैं वैल्यूज, उसके बाद आई विल एक्सप्लेन. डिलीट सेल. ओके, so now
क्वेश्चन पूछने लगा, तुम बताओ तुम
Not audible. Not audible. Not audible. अब master होते हैं।
Yes, now. So 0. So index value is 0, 1, 2, 3. There 15 elements are there. Please, someone is. Please unmute. Sorry, please mute yourself.
लगा कोई झूठ तुम बताओ तुम
Mute yourself.
क्या किया जाए? Not audible.
Priyanka Kumari,
Please
mute
mute
yourself.
6, 7. So here we are taking 15 elements. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
सर आप ही म्यूट कर दीजिए उसको
14. Okay. Okay. So now we are taking 15 elements. So again I am repeat, which contains the values in the range of 0 to 9. Now next step is, so this one is the first, we'll take the input, and our main objective is to ascending order. We'll arrange the element in ascending order. So now first, so now this one is the array element. Now another array element, we need a B array element. That means we'll store the value in the B array element. The final output will store in B array. And another array is required for range. That means here two more array, one size of n. Size of n means B array, that means 15 elements are there, and another one is another size of k, and k, that means 0 to 9. So that means here another array size is C, and C's array size is 10 because range is 0 to 9. Okay, let's check. So initially, first of all, we initialize the C array. So initialize the C array. C array, that means here C array range is, that means 0 to 9. That's why 10. K size, k equals to 10. So let's take first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So initialize C array. C array. So here parallelly, that means write the loop. That means here how will initialize the array. So first of all, one loop is there, 4 equals to, that means 4, I equals to 0, I equals to 0, I less than k. K is the, k equals to 10. 10 means here size of the C array. So here array, that means here element, that means here range is 0 to 9. That's why 0 to, that means 10 elements. So that's why here k value is 10. So I equals to 0, I less than k, and I plus plus, I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. So that means here initialize C equals to, that means Ci equals to 0. Ci equals to 0. This is our first. That means here all the elements are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 0, so 0, all initialize 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 0 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now next. Now now next what we'll do, how many elements, suppose one, how many ones are there? So that means next our duty is to counting how many ones are there. Suppose here one is only one. No, here no one is there. Suppose here if you see here no one is there. So here is starting from three. So three, how many three are there? So just number of frequency. Here we count number of frequency. That means one initialize. First of all, we count zero. So no zero is there. So that's why zero. Then again one, two, three, four, five. So if you count here three, only three one time is there. If you see here four how many times are there? Four times. Four here, one, two,
3 times.
three times. So next will count number of element कितना टाइम है. यस, हर एक एलिमेंट. तो इसके लिए क्या लूप लगाएंगे, उसको पहले लॉजिक को पहले लिखते हैं कि वन फोर, अनदर लूप फोर, फॉर लूप एक चलाएंगे, फॉर विजिबल ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो फोर जे इक्वल्स टू, जस्ट पैरेलली आप इसको कोड को भी देखेंगे, कोड लॉजिक, तो ये आपको आराम से समझ में आएगा. जे इक्वल्स टू जीरो, देन जे लेस देन equals to n, that means n equals to n size is 15, so n, then j plus plus. Okay, now main concept is यहाँ पे क्या होगा ना, c a j, यहाँ पे मेन लॉजिक है, c j is equals to c a j plus 1, c a j control c a j plus 1. Okay, this is the logic. So now we are assuming, suppose we are assuming here j equals to 0. That means now if j equals to 0, now you see aj means a0. Yes, a0. So what is the value of a0? You check, a0 का वैल्यू क्या है? 5. Very good. So now a0 value is 5. Now you put here, that means c5. Now we'll calculate actually c5. So now you put the value caj. So aj means 5, c5. So now you check c5. So c5 means here, if you see this insert below. So here if you count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now c5 value is increased. So c5 means c5 value is 0. So 0 plus 1. So that means here 1. Okay, so now if you put the value in c5 means c5, so c5 value is 0, so 0 plus 1, so that's why here 1. Okay, clear? क्यों यहाँ पे 1 हुआ?
Can you explain this one again, sir?
Yes, again I will explain. So this is the logic, caj equals to caj plus 1. Actually here we are counting number of frequency, that means elements. Suppose 5 elements कितना type है? So here this is our main objective. So now if you start from j equals to 0, so a0 means 5. A0 means 5. Now in place of a0 we can write 5. Yes, here we can write 5. So here we can write CAJ. CAJ means C5. 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 So C5 means here, if you check here C5, so C5 value is 1. C5 value is 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. So that means that's why we can write here 1. Okay. So array में C array जो है उस जगह पे C5 में we can write 1 here. Yes, 0 plus 1. Let's see. We'll take another next look. That means when j equals to increase. So j equals to 1. When j equals to 1, now check j equals to 1. When j equals to 1, so j equals to 1. So a1. So now you'll check the value a1. a1 का value क्या है?
9.
9. So C9 position. Now, so C9. So now when so now A0 value, sorry, A1. So A1 equals to 9. Yes. So A9 equals to 1. That means C9. So in position of C9. So C9, that means here we can write C9. C9. So C9, so now you'll check C9 का वैल्यू क्या है? Initially 0. So 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, that's why here 1. Okay. So now now j value is increased. So again, so j, when j equals to 2. So now 4. So j equals to 2 means A2 value is A2 value is कितना होगा?
4.
4. अब जो है आपको समझ में आएगा क्या है. So when A2 equals to 4, A2 equals to 4. अब देखिए यहाँ पे A2 equals to 4. So when A2 equals to 4, so C4. So now C4 value is 0 plus 1. 0 plus, yes, C4 equals to 0. So here our condition is C4 equals to C4 plus 1. So 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, that's why C4 1. Okay. So when now increment. So now when j equals to 3. So when j equals to 3. So j equals to 3 means A3 value is 5. So A3 value is 5 means C5. So now again, so C5. So C5, yes, now C5 value is already 1. Yes, पहले से अगर चेक करते हैं तो पहले already. Now C5 value is 1. So now again we will increment to C5. That means C5 value is already 1. So 1 plus 1. So now we can write here 2. So that because if you see here A array, so how many times 5 is there? 2 times. So now here we can write 2. Yes. So here we can write 2. Yes. Now I think concept is clear. कैसे वो लोग काम कर रहा है? जैसे 5 कितना टाइम है? 2 टाइम. तो अभी 2 इनिशियल हो गया.
3 times sir.
हैं?
3 times. 3 times.
5 कितना?
अभी आगे जाके 3 times होगा.
हाँ, जो भी है, मतलब अभी तक जो है अभी 2 टाइम मिला. नेक्स्ट अभी C7 में जब 7 में आ जाएंगे तब वो आ जाएगा. तो मतलब दैट इन दिस वे वी कैन काउंट. ओके, इसी लूप को अगर कंटिन्यू करेंगे सो दैट मीन इजीली वी कैन काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द एलिमेंट. यस, so in this way we can calculate. So I don't think every that means will continue till that means 15 element. Directly I can write the value. Yes. So in this way we can calculate the value. Okay. So let's see. You can say next. So now we'll reach here when j value is 3, right? So now when j equals to 4, when j equals to 4, so that means A4, that means A3, okay, A3. A3, yes. So now that means C3. So C3 values is, now we can increment here. That means now we can write here 1. Okay. Next, when j equals to 5, when j equals to 5, so now a, that means now a5 equals to 6, a5 equals to 6, that means c6. So c6, now we check here, c6, that means here we can write here 1 in this way. Okay. So now one by one you can say here. So 0, 0, now 3 one time, 4 how many times? You can see here. 4 कितना time है यहाँ पे? Anyone can say?
3 times.
We can write here 3. Okay. Next 5 how many times?
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
Okay, very good. Now 6. I think
2
2
times.
times.
2 times.
Very good. Now 7.
2 times.
Very
2
good.
times.
8. 2
1
times.
time.
1 time.
8 2 times. See.
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
Okay. 2 times. 2 times. And 9 also 2 times. Yes.
Times.
Okay. Now next. Next what we'll do? Okay. Next step. Now next what we'll do, another that means here we'll count, that means number of let's see, first of all we write down the loop. For loop I equals to 1, I equals to 1, I less than k, and I plus plus, I plus plus. Next, here we calculate 6, ci equals to ci plus ci minus 1. Okay. So let's see. So first of all, we put the value. Suppose I equals to, initially we are taking the value I equals to 1, I equals to 1, and ci plus ci, and another one is ci plus I minus 1, I minus 1. दोनों का साम करने से वो ci में after that will store in the ci. Okay. So now when I equals to 1, when I equals to 1, okay, control V. Okay. So now when I equals to 1, when I equals to 1, then ci value, ci value is 0. ci
0.
value, ci value you check here, ci value equals to 0, and ci minus 1, ci minus 1 value is also 0. You see this one, ci value is 0, ci, that means c1 value is 0, and ci minus 1, that means c1 minus 1 0. So now value is 0. So that's why, and where will you store the value? Now ci means c1 position. So c1, so now we can store the value here. 0 plus 0, that means here 0. Okay. Now next one, when I equals to 2, when I equals to 2, when I equals to 2, then C, so now when I equals to 2, C2 value, so C2 value is कितना है C2 का वैल्यू ना 0. C2 value
0
is,
plus
yes, 0 plus 0, so 0 plus 0, that means here value is 0. Okay, no need to change it. Then when I equals to 3, I equals to 3, when
1 plus 0, 1.
0, 1, yes, so that means this value is 1. Okay, now when I equals to 4, when I equals to 4, when
3
I
plus
equals,
1, 4.
when I equals to 4, when I equals to 4, now you check, when I equals to 4, that means 3 plus 1, that means here we can write 4. Okay, now when I equals to 5, when I equals to 5, when I equals to 5, now you check 3 plus Ci minus 1, Ci minus 1, that means C4, C4 value is 4, C4 value is 4. So now we can write, now we can write,
7.
very good. So in place of C5, that means here we can write 7. Okay, now next value, easily you can calculate. So 2 plus 7,
9.
very good. Sorry, 7. Next one is 9. Yes, now I think you got the logic. So now easily you can, no need to, that means directly we can write here the value. So that means now 11. Next,
13.
very good. And here we can value with 15. Very good. Okay. So now what is the logic actually? So 3 and less than 3. How many elements that means are there? So only one element. If you check here 4 और 4 से कम यहाँ पे कितना एलिमेंट है 4. जैसे 5 और 5 से कितना एलिमेंट है आप अगर यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे तो वो काउंटिंग यहाँ पे आ रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे 5, नाउ 5, so 5 means here 5, 4 and 3. So if you count total कितना नंबर हो रहा है यहाँ पे ना 7. और you can say here index, that means यहाँ पे 15 इंडेक्स जो है 15 इंडेक्स और टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कितना है वो यहाँ पे काउंट हो रहा है टिल 9. ओके, 0 to 9. तो यहाँ पे टोटल कितना नंबर है ना 9 से लेस देन 9, 8, 7, 6, टोटल यहाँ पे 15 एलिमेंट है. यहाँ पे हम लोग ये काउंट किया. अब नेक्स्ट फाइनली आवर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करना है. ठीक है, अब एक्चुअल जो है मेन फाइनली अब इस लॉजिक को थोड़ा सा समझना है. ये समझ में आने से काउंटिंग शॉट आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. सो पहले हम इसका लॉजिक लिखते हैं. फॉर लूप नाउ for j equals to n minus 1, n minus 1, j is greater than equals to 0 and j minus 1. Yes, so now one array B, within the B another array C, within say A J, this one is closed, minus 1, now in place we can write A J. Yes, now next C A J, in place of C A J equals to CAJ minus 1 minus 1. Okay. This. Okay. So now we'll take value. First of all, j equals to n minus 1. So j equals to n minus 1 means j का value j equals to n minus 1 means j equals to 14. Yes. So now when j equals to 14, aj, so first of all we'll calculate aj. So a14, a14. So a14 means a14 you check a14 means 7. ए लूप में जो एलिमेंट है a14 means 7. So in place of a14 we can write 7. Okay. So in place of a14 we can write here 7. Okay. So now a14, now again we'll calculate, that means c. Now that means if you check here b, c, within the c, aj. So now aj value is aj, that means a14 value is 7. Now, so what is the value of c7? What is the value of c7? So now you see here, check c7 means कितना है यहाँ पे 11. c7 means 11. So 11 minus 1 equals to 0. So 11 minus 1 means 10. Okay. So now directly we can write b10. So that means CAJ value is 11. Here C11, that means C7 का value कितना है यहाँ पे C7 is 11. Okay. And here condition is B, C of AJ minus 1. Yes, CAJ minus 1. CAJ minus 1. So in place AJ, that means 11 minus 1 equals to 0. So फिर से 5 मिनट के लिए ज्वाइन करना, तब ये कंप्लीट होगा. ओके. सो नाउ C7, so C7 का वैल्यू यहाँ पे नाउ 11 and 11 minus 1, that's why 10. So now B10, so in place of B10, now you check here this one B10, B CAJ, that means here AJ means 7. AJ means 7. Yes. So A14 का value 7. So now C7 value is 11. 11 minus 1, 10. So in place of B10, so now, so another array, that means finally we'll store the